Comptia's Security Plus. Security Plus is a industry level IT certification for security. First of all, let's back up CompTIA. CompTIA is an awesome organization that's put together some pretty solid certifications. Network Plus, Linux Plus, Security Plus, and lots of other ones. If you're a security person and you're just starting out, Security Plus is the best option for you, because not only is it going to kind of run you through the fundamentals of what the industry wants to see as far as best practices for security on servers, network security from a higher level, client system security, basic system security on laptops or workstations or that kind of thing. Best practice stuff it's awesome. It's incredible. I would highly recommend taking that prior to something bigger like the CISSP, which I talked about in a previous video. Even if you're not a beginning IT guy, maybe you're like a Linux superhero, or you're super hardcore into Windows, and you've been doing system administration for 10-20 years, and now that your company is wanting you to do security more, you know security because you've been doing it. However, you don't have any certifications in it. I would recommend starting off with Security Plus, and the industry really accepts Security Plus, and that's great. That's great. If you go to Simply Hire or something, you type in Security Plus, you find a lot of people looking for that certification. What do you need for a Security Plus? Let me see. The exam is 90 questions now. It's multiple choice and performance based. It's 90 minutes long. Passing score is 750 points out of 900. Cost $311 last. I'm looking at the site right now. It's in English, it's in Portuguese, and it's in Japanese. A lot of government agencies love it, require it, as a matter of fact. CompTIA Security Plus certification covers network security, compliance and operation security, threats and vulnerabilities, as well as application, data, and host security. Also includes access control, identity management, and cryptography from a high level. They don't go super deep on Security Plus. It's very basic stuff. So that's it. I'll talk about more certifications in future videos, but highly recommend the Security Plus from CompTIA.